Hey guys, so I just filmed this. I followed a ShanXO tutorial, so make sure you go watch that video. I will link it down below. I was planning on filming something else today, but I like this look so much that I don't want to take it off. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to talk about my skincare routine. Obviously, I'm not going to be showing you all the steps right this minute because I just did this makeup. But I will insert some clips of me doing each step. For my face wash, I really like the brand Alba Botanica, and I found this recently. This is their AcneDote Deep Pore Wash, and it's maximum strength. I bought this at TJ Maxx for $5.99, but you can also get it at Walmart and Target. I'm not sure how much it is there because TJ Maxx is the bomb, so I just always go there. But this is the face wash that I use on a daily basis. On days when I'm exfoliating, which is, to be honest, normally every other day or every 3 days because I'm so dry, I like the same brand, which is Alba Botanica, and they have a face and body scrub. The good thing about these two products right here is they smell really good. They're pretty, kind of like a mix between mint and coffee, and you know that sounds like it wouldn't smell very good, but it smells really good. Especially if you are a person who washes your face in the mornings, this scent would really wake you up and clear out your pores and get you ready to start the day. And since I started using these Alba Botanical products, I have not had a breakout. Like, I used to get the little milia bumps, especially when I wore foundation. I would get the little milia bumps along my chin and like right here on my cheeks. And since I started using those two products, I have not gotten those bumps, which is a miracle. Once I have finished my face wash and or exfoliator, I use the Pixi Glow Tonic, and I really love this toner. It's actually a like gentle exfoliator toner that's supposed to help get rid of dead skin cells, and I just put this on a little cotton round and then rub it all over my face and down my neck, and it also smells really good, so that doesn't hurt. I really like this toner. I haven't used any toner since I started using this. Once I have finished my toner, I go in with the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty as my moisturizer. As you guys know, as I've said already, I have really dry skin, and this was actually not this specific one, but this was given to me as a Christmas gift one year from one of my really good friends, and I loved it so much that when that one ran out, I went out and bought another one. This is the sample size. The full size comes in like a tub, but I can't see myself using all of that like in the time period before it expires, so I always just buy this little sample tube, and this lasts me a good year at least, and this is only $13 compared to like $22 for the full size, and I really like this as a moisturizer. And then after my moisturizer, I will go in with my eye cream. And I'm currently using the Elizabeth Arden Good Morning Eye Treatment, which I got at TJ Maxx. And I don't really love or hate this eye cream. It's supposed to kind of help brighten up your under eye, get rid of some dark circles a little bit, but I don't notice that it does that. But I also don't have the money to spend on a really expensive eye cream. Hopefully someday down the road I will be able to do that and share it with you guys, but at this point this is what I am using. My lips are feeling really dry, I like to exfoliate them. And for that, I have been using the Fizz and Bubble Lip Scrub. This one is in the flavor Mojito, and it is safe to eat. It tastes really good, and it's a sugar scrub, basically. They do have a lot of different flavors. I got this specific one from Ulta at the checkout with their they have the little sample tier things, and I got this in there a couple of months ago, and it's still pretty full. You can see, I mean, I use it all the time, and it's once I have scrubbed my lips, I go in with the Ultra Repair Lip Therapy from First Aid Beauty. And I bought this one winter. Actually, it's probably like last winter or the winter before, when my lips just felt so dry and chapstick was not helping and like Burt's Bees was not helping. So I felt like I needed something a little bit stronger to help moisturize my lips, and I generally have really dry lips anyway, so I still use this on a regular basis. And I really like First Aid Beauty as a brand because they test for allergens before they like put out a product, and there's no fragrance in these products. And then from there, I like to go in with my facial sprays. The first one that I will use is the Mario Badescu facial spray, and this one is the one with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. They also have one that has rose in it, and they have another one that has lavender in it, but I really love the scent of this one. In fact, I could use some right now just to refresh. I love the smell of aloe and cucumber. This smells really, really good. This is also cruelty-free and paraben-free. So you guys who love cruelty-free products will love these facial sprays. And then I will normally go in with my Pixi Glow Mist. You can see how low I have gotten on this. I need to go and buy another one, but I also want to try other things. It's a debate in my head. Do I stay? Do I go? I can't decide because I love this mist so much. And it has propolis and argan oil in there. When you use it, you have to make sure you shake it up because it does have some oils that will separate in there. So you have to mix it up really good, and it does make your face glow. Your face looks so healthy and glowy, not in an oily way, but just in like a sun-kissed, like I have been at the beach all day kind of glow. I have also gotten the Wake Up Vitamin Mist from Pixi, but I find that the spray on this is a little bit difficult. Like, here, I can show you the spray on this one, maybe. You can see how fine that spray is, and when it hits your face, it just kind of like melts. It doesn't leave any huge droplets or anything like that. But this spray does leave some droplets on my face, and I'm thinking that maybe once I run out of the glow mist, I'm just going to replace this top with that one, and then we'll see if maybe it's just the little spritzer. But I'll show you guys. The spray is a lot shorter, and it's not as like a mist, you know what I'm saying? Compared to the glow mist, it's very short and it's very narrow. So that is everything that I currently do for my skincare. Comment down below if you use and love any of these products, or if there are some products that I really need to go and try out. Like this video if you enjoy seeing other people's skincare routines and you enjoy learning about new products that you might not have heard about before. As always, subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you guys so much for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I have a hair on my nose. Won't go away. Matthew is like texting me a novel right now.